Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Now, for the course General Mathematics and Statistics, in this second video lecture of week 15, we are going to learn about operations on polynomials.
First of all, to identify the like term. Like terms reference to monomials that have the same variables but may have different coefficients. The variable in the term must have the same power. Like terms refers to monomials, but that monomials terms in which variable and its power are same but maybe the coefficients are different. For example, 3a square b 4ab square, 3ab minus 5ab square. In these four terms, 3a square b, 4ab square, and minus 5ab square. 4ab square and minus 5ab square are like term because 4ab square, this in this monomial and in this monomial, the variables and power are same. The coefficients are different, but it is necessary for the like terms that the variables and its power will be same, then the term called like terms. So 4ab square and minus 5ab square are like term. Even though the other have the same variables, the exponents are not same. In these two terms, 3a square b and 3ab variable are same, but the power are different. In this term, the power of a is 2, but in this the power of a is 1. Similarly, the power of b here is 1 and here is also 1, but the power of a is different. So 3a square b and 3ab are not like term. 3a square b mean 3 multiplied a multiplied a multiplied b, which is different from the 4ab square. 4ab square mean 4a multiplied b multiplied b. So these two terms are not like terms. Constant are like terms. For example, 2x minus 2x comma minus 3 comma 5b comma 0. Minus 3 and 0 are like terms. Constant are like terms. Any constants are like terms. So minus 3 and 0 are like terms. uh, and 3x comma 2x square comma 4 plus x. In these four terms, in these four monomial, 3x and x are like terms. Similarly, 2wx comma w comma 3x comma 4xw. 2wx and 4xw are like terms because the variables in these two monomial and the variable power are same. So 2wx and 4xw are like terms. Now, how to add polynomials? Now we are going to start the operations on polynomial. Operations on polynomials mean how to add polynomials, how to subtract polynomial, and how to multiply polynomial, how to divide polynomial. How to divide two polynomials. About the division of the polynomial, I have already told you in the previous lecture that we can simply use the remainder theorem or simple use the factor theorem. So if the remainder does not equal to 0, then the theorem called remainder theorem, and one polynomial does not completely divisible by the other polynomial, and if the remainder is 0, then it's mean that one polynomial is exactly divisible by other polynomial. But before remainder theorem and factor theorem, we can also use simple the ordinary division for the division of the polynomial. Now today we are going to discuss how to add, how to subtract, and how to multiply polynomials. There are two polynomials, x square plus 3x plus 1 and 4x square plus 5. How to add these two polynomials? In the first step, first of all, underline the like terms. x square and 4x square are like terms. Similarly, constant are like 1 and 5. These two are like terms. So first of all, underline the like terms. 3x does not have any like term. Then in the second terms, add the coefficients of the like term and do not change the power of the variable. Mean do not add the power. Simple add the coefficients of the like term. We can add two polynomial by this procedure. First of all, underline the like terms and then add the like term, the coefficients of the like term. For example, for x square plus 4x square, these two are like terms. So the coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x square in this term is 4. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5x square plus 3x and 1 plus 5 are like terms. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Some people prefer to add polynomials by stacking them. If you choose to do this, be sure to line up the like terms. This is the stacking procedure for adding two polynomial. X square plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x square plus 5. So add these two terms. These are the like terms. 1 plus 4, 5. 3x as it is and 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Now stack and add these polynomial. 2a square plus 3ab plus 4b square. Add this polynomial to this polynomial. 7a square plus ab plus minus 2b square. So first of all, write the first polynomial 2a square plus 3ab plus 4b square and add 7a square plus ab minus 2b square. So minus 2b square can be written as plus into minus 2b square. Actually, the credits goes to addition. So minus 2 can be written as plus into minus 2. So these two terms are like term. So add the coefficient 2 plus 7, 9. And AB, 3AB and AB are like term. So add the coefficients 4AB and plus 4B square minus 2B square are like terms. So plus 4 minus 2 is equal to plus 2 plus 2B square. Now add these polynomials and you may take them if you prefer, but we can add this polynomial directly. Add the coefficients of the like term 3x cube and 3x cube. 6x cube minus 7x plus 4x is equal to minus 3x. Similarly, 2w square like term 4w square. Add the coefficient 2 plus 4 6w square and w plus 7w 8w minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Similarly, for the addition of these two polynomial 2a cube and a cube are like term. So add the coefficients 1 plus 2 3 and 3a square have any does not have any like terms. So 3a square is it is and 5a plus 4a are like terms. So add the coefficient 5 plus 4 9 and 3 is the constant term. This constant term has no other like term. So plus 3 is it is. Now how to subtract polynomials? How to subtract polynomials? Subtract this polynomial x square plus x plus 4 from 3x square plus 7x plus 2x plus 7. In first step, change subtraction to addition, then add. Change subtraction to addition, then add mean change the sign of that polynomial which subtract from the other polynomial. We are going to subtract x square plus x plus 4 from this polynomial. So change subtraction to addition. So this subtraction mean actually plus into minus, plus into minus. So say 3x square plus 2x plus 7 plus into minus x square plus minus x plus minus 4. To change the sign, this will be negative, this will be negative, and this will be now negative. Now add minus x square to 3x square, add minus x with the plus 2x, add minus 4 plus 7. This means change subtraction to addition. So underline now the like terms. 3x square and minus x square are the like term. So add 3 minus 1. 2 and 2x minus x are the like term. So add the coefficient plus 2 minus 1 plus x, and plus 7 and minus 4 are like term. So add plus 7 minus 4. Plus 7 plus into minus 4 is equal to plus 3. Similarly, subtract this polynomial by changing the addition, then add. By changing to addition, changing subtract to addition. X cube minus 6 minus 4 minus into 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So x square minus 3x square mean minus 2x square, and minus 6 minus and minus plus 4x mean plus 3x, minus 4 minus plus minus minus 1 minus 4 plus minus 1 mean minus 1 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, another example, 9y square minus 3y plus 1. Subtract this polynomial from this. 2y square plus y minus y. So 9y square minus 2y square mean 7y square, minus 3y minus y minus 4y plus 1 minus minus plus 9 plus 10. Now 2g square plus g minus 9 minus into g cube plus 3g square plus 3, to subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So like terms are 2g square and 3g square. 2g square minus 3g square mean minus g square, and minus g cube as it is. Similarly, minus 9 and minus 3 are like terms. Minus 9 and minus 3 mean minus 12. Now, how to multiply polynomials? Multiplications are polynomials. 1 up to revise 3 power 2. I have already told you about the exponential form. This is the exponential and this is the value of the exponential. 3 square. 3 square mean 9. 3 multiplied 3, 9. 2 power 4 mean multiplied 2 4 times, which is equal to 16. 10 power 2 mean multiplied 10 2 times, which is equal to 100. Similarly, in this is the product rule for the exponential. We have already discussed about the product rule of the exponential, that when the base same and the power are different, then keep the base and add the power. We mean 2 power 3 multiplied 2 power 4 is equal to 2 power 7. Similarly, y power 5 multiplied y power 4 mean y power 9. And this is the power rule, multiplying single power with the whole power. So 5 power 3 whole power 2 mean 5 power 6, and x square whole power 4 mean x power 8. Similarly, minus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to, distribute this monomial on this linear polynomial. Minus 4x minus minus plus 7 for the 28. Now, to multiply the monomials and polynomials, you will use some of the properties of exponents that you learned already in the previous lecture. For example, example number 1, to multiply monomials, to multiply a single term. Monomial mean a polynomial which contain only one term. This is one monomial, this is other monomial. How to multiply two monomials? First of all, group factors with like bases together. So group the factors. 3 and 6 are like terms, and y power 3 and y power 5. Group factors with like base together. The base is like base. Y power 3 and y power 5 not like terms, but only the base is same. So group the factors with like bases. So y power 3 and y power 5. This is the group of like bases. Now 3 6 the 18. Now since the base are same, now keep the base same in 8 the power, y power 8. Similarly, for the multiplication of 3mn square into 9m square n, again group factors with like bases together. So 3 and 9 are like terms, and now group the bases, group the factors with like bases. M square. M is the same base. N square n is the same base in this group. So now multiplied 3 9 the 27, and m square base is same. So keep the base same and add the power m cube. Now similarly n cube. Now remember that when multiplying the exponents with the different powers and the same base, keep the base same and add the exponent. As I have already told you in the previous slides, x power 2 multiplied x power 3. The base is same, so keep the base same and add the power. 2 plus 3 is equal to x power 5. Now, another example, in this example, there is also one monomial is multiplied with the other monomial. So, we group the factors with like basis, like 3 multiplied 6 and x cube multiplied x square 18, 3 6 the 18, x power 5. And another part B in this example, 2 multiplied r square multiplied t multiplied 5 multiplied t cube. This is one monomial and this is other monomial. So group the factor with like bases together. R square is one term, one monomial, one variable, and t cube are like bases. So t cube multiplied t. So keep the base same and add the power. T cube 3 plus 1, t power 4, and r power 2, and similarly 2 multiplied 5 is equal to 10. So the multiplications of these two monomials is equal to 10 r square t power 4. Now to multiply a polynomial by a monomial, use the distributive property. We can use the multiplications process as to multiply a monomial with a polynomial. This is monomial and this is a polynomial. So monomial also a polynomial, but it contains only one terms. So this monomial multiplied with this polynomial to distribute this monomial on the polynomial. So distribute 4. 4 multiplied with 3x square, 4 multiplied with 4x, 4 multiplied with the minus 8. So 3 for the 12, 4 for the 16x, and 4 8 the 32. Similarly, this monomial multiplied with this polynomial distribute 6p cube on 2p and q. Distribute this 6p cube for 2p and for q. So 6pq multiplied with 2p and 6p square multiplied with the q. So 6pq multiplied 2p plus 6p cube multiplied minus q. And now multiplying group like bases together. First of all, group like bases together. 6 multiplied 2, p multiplied this q, and now plus minus 1, and 6 p multiplied q multiplied q. Group like bases. These are like bases and these are the like bases. So 2 6 the 12, p multiplied p square, p cube, and plus minus 6 1 the 6, p q multiplied q, base are same, so keep the base same and add the power, so q power 2. Now another monomial with the polynomial. To multiply this monomial with this polynomial, distribute 1 over 2x square y on 6xy and 8x square y square. So 1 over 2x square y square multiplied 6xy plus 1 over 2x square y square multiplied 8x square y square. Now group like terms together. 1 over 2 multiplied 6 into x square dot x into y dot y plus 1 over 2 dot 8 into x square dot x square into y dot y square. So 2 3 the 6, x square dot x mean x cube, y dot y square plus 2 4 the 8, x square dot x square and y dot y square mean y cube. Similarly, this one monomial on this polynomial distribute 2 on 4x square for x and for 3. So 2 for the 8x square, 2 multiplied x 2x and 2 3 the 6. Now another example, part B, 3ab into 5a square plus b. Distribute 3ab with the 5a square and b. So 3 5 the 15, and simple you can write first of all look group like basis together 3ab into 5a square plus 3ab into b, and in this step we distribute 3ab on 5a square and b. Now group like basis together 3 multiplied 5, a multiplied a square and into b plus 3 multiplied a multiplied b multiplied b. Now in this expression the base is same, so keep the base same and add the power 3 5 the 15 and a multiplied a square mean a cube multiplied b plus 3 multiplied a multiplied b square. Similarly, we can multiply 5r square s square into r minus s. So r square multiplied r, group like basis together r square multiplied r into s square, and similarly 5 multiplied 3 r square s square dot s. First of all distribute this monomial on this polynomial and then group like basis together and then multiplied. In all these examples I would like to tell you how to multiply a monomial with a polynomial. First of all, distribute the monomial on the polynomial each terms and then group like basis together and then multiplied. So the result of this multiplication is now 5r cube s square minus 15r square s cube.